Hey guys, SMP Productions. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a custom Bruce Wayne minifigure. So it's real simple again, guys. But the pieces for the set might be a bit hard to find. So I'm going to be starting off with this. The hairpiece I got from Sir MV from the Star Wars Rogue One set. Real simple again, but the torso gets stuff. Face prints I actually got from Lego Batman Series 1, Beach Batman, if I'm mistaken. Yeah, this is Beach Batman, the face prints. And the torso and the pants actually are part of the same set. This comes from Harry Potter 2007. And it's, I'm not sure if it's even available now, but yeah, that's the set from 2007 Harry Potter. It's, I think it's pretty hard to find nowadays, but anyways, that's the torso and pants. If you guys don't have this, don't worry, you guys can use any other suit if you guys have any. If you don't have any, then you guys could just use from the Lego City and just shove the hands off. So that's simple, guys. That's really how I made my custom Bruce Wayne minifigure. And I even made an alternative to the hair if that's Bruce when he enters the party, and if you get to know a party fight or something, you guys can just trade the hair into this. Yeah, so thank you for watching, guys. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more content just like this one. If you guys like this video, please leave a like. See you guys later. Peace. Bye.